So hey everyone, this is Akshat Raj, currently fourth year student at Redicini, and this is my product manager assignment for Xeno. So where we were asked to develop a marketer homepage. So in this walkthrough, I'll cover the problem with the user personas and the core jobs to be done, along with the success metrics and the component prioritizations and and finally the dashboard wireframe along with some key interactions as well. So yeah, let's go through the whole PPT. So let's discuss about some problems and all. So currently we saw that the Xeno has no we assume that the Zero has no homepage experience. That means like whenever a marketer logs in and they don't immediately see revenue performance, and so this is like the but more of an urgent issues, and or there might be some recommended actions as well. So this creates three problems, as you can see. Main is like revenue blindness, which means like the whole marketers they can't actually quickly identify which campaigns are driving revenue. So it's like the budget allocation becomes much more like a guesswork. Along with that, we can see some reactive issue management as well, where the campaign failures or where the campaign failures or expiring offers goes unnoticed. Uh, Even like for a lot of often for a lot of time, or we can say a lot of hours, so it goes unnoticed in that way. And along with that, there is an action friction. We simple actions like duplicating or launching campaigns take, some 5 to 7 clicks. So my goal was here to, make this whole homepage design pretty simple, which, helps marketers understand what's happening right now and take, the meaningful action instantly. So let's go to the third slide. So yeah, here's some user persona I took. So one of the primary user persona I took was Priya Sharma, she is like a marketing manager for a mid-size retail chain. So she oversees three marketers and runs some 15 to 20 campaigns across WhatsApp, email, and SMS, and you know along with that. So the first thing she does is like uh, she checks in the morning first. She wants to quickly see some top revenue campaigns from yesterday and any overnight failures, or either like what team needs to react today. Along with that, she also needs to decide which campaigns drove the most the return of investment. Along with that, which ones needs to be paused, and yeah, which winners to duplicate and scale in terms of campaigns and all. So, like in short, the Priya needs the clarity, speed, and the confidence without navigating deep into the product. So let's go to the success metrics which we found. Okay, so here the success metric to measure this whole homepage is successful. I defined like four MVP metrics. First was like the time to identify top campaigns, which was like I kept it at the 10 seconds. Along with that, the campaign creation rate, which I around as 30% from the homepage, and the homepage adoption, which is like 80% of the sessions mostly starts here. Along with that, the alert response time, which is critical issues, all the critical issues resolved within the 2 hours only. And the acceptance criteria reflect like what success looks like to the Priya, our user. So first is like the revenue visibility is above the fold, and second is like the urgent alerts with the context and the clear actions. Third, we are seeing that the core actions like creating or duplicating a pause, which is like available in less than 2 clicks, and also the 3 and 2 5, like the KPIs, which we can say, with summarizing the whole marketing health. So this whole is some success metric which I saying first for user testing and eye tracking, and the whole analytics of the default landing page, which we did for now. Okay, so after that, let's go to the whole framework which I like made, just the basic. So if you can see, there's a whole like grayscale version only, not much more design. Here it's like we have like a create campaign at the top right here. And this will show that Priya can start a campaign instantly from any screen. Here's like the KPI strip for where shows the how are we doing over, shows completely like the total revenue, the active campaigns, the average engagement along with the total customers reached already. Along with that, we are seeing some top some campaign performance feed as well, which is mainly our hero section. This is the like the core of the dashboard. It shows some top five revenue generated campaigns with inline actions like duplicate or pause or view details and all. This directly solves the Priya's with most important question. Along with that, here is the alert panel, which like shows urgent issues are like mostly surface here, like failed sends or expiring offers or underperforming campaigns. The each alert, like here includes an action button, which like retry or extend the offer. You can see here, or review as well. So this is all about the like alerts. Now we come to the like the top former card. It highlights one clear like winner campaign with like one clip to duplicate the campaign. It's like this is the winner campaign, so we can duplicate this. So it's like this whole combination of the the whole components gives Priya a bit more of a clarity with along with the urgency and actionability in just a whole one view is the whole one homepage only. So that's whole about the wireframe. That's like go to the whole like flow I'm talk about. So first it's like you can talk about like duplicating a win campaign. So she sees a top performing campaign which generating a high revenue. Then she clicks like on a duplicate directly from the feed. The campaign creation form opens, which is pre-populated already. She edits audience and schedules and launches the whole campaign with like two clicks for 30 seconds instead of having clicking seven times and in 3 minutes. So solves a bit the whole success metric which we were saying. So yeah, that's the whole we are reducing the whole time here. Let's go to next slide. Okay, so it's like the fix two which we are doing. It's like where the she notices some red alerts here. Here you can see there are some red alerts. She can see them campaigns fails to send to 2.5 customers. So she can like click to alert, click the alert to view the context, and clicks. She can also click the where retry now, which where the issue is detected in 5 seconds and resolved in 2 clicks, like without leaving the home page as well. So these flows like demonstrate how the homepage reduces the friction and actually increases the marketing velocity as well. So let's go to the third slide, seventh slide. Okay, yeah. So here is whole the must have components of the MVP which we have made. First is like the campaign feed, the KPI strip, of course, the alert panels and the header that the creator create with the CTA. Yes, then there's the sprint two, which we, enhancements. We talk about enhancements along, like the top performer card or the date range selector or the notification system. There are some future investments as well. We can add like the advanced feed features you can see and some team activity feeds showing the recent edits and launches along with the predictive alerts as well. So this is like the whole MVP components and the roadmap which we can follow. The whole roadmap ensures that strong initial value and along with the rapid iteration and a long-term scalability of the platform. Okay, so let's talk about some, how to test and validate the whole app. So to validate the home page, like I used like a usability test, which like there is a task which campaigns made money this week. So we can get a success like they answer in less than 10 seconds. Along with that, the A and B test, which is like comparing the old navigation versus the home page, which we saw that the 30% there's a 30% increase in campaign creation and the faster task completion as well. Along with that, the analytics page, which whole tracks the homepage adoption, alerts the click through, and there is a quick action usage as well. There is some user interviews where does this who's it's like its goal is like does this dashboard increase the confidence and save time? If the user say it, I can't work without this now, like that's where we can see that yes, we have like clearly succeed. So yeah, this is the whole acceptance test checklist. We first see we open the home page. We first see that can you identify the top three revenue campaigns in 5 seconds? Yes, we can. Along with that, we saw that there are pretty alerts, a lot of different alerts. Like, are the critical issues like obvious with the clear next steps as well? We if solve the alerts as well? Yes, there is also an option for there. Along with that, we can also see duplicate a campaign if it's very successful. Yes, can we do it in 2 clicks or less? Yes, we can in our home page. And yeah, there is a whole KPI strip where we can see like if like the market manager is giving a brief to some CMO or the chief managing operator. So it's like so like how marketing is doing usually like only those numbers. It's like if the CMO is asking for the numbers, it's also showing on the web or homepage. So yes, we pass this checklist as well. So the whole homepage redesign is according to what issues we had and all. So yes, this is the whole homepage redesign which I was so yeah. Thank you for like reviewing my homepage design. So this like the whole solution focuses on clarity and along with that the actionability and the revenue impact as well, which are like the three pillars that truly matter to like someone marketer like Priya. So yeah, I'm happy to walk through all the any sections in more details if you want to. So yeah, thank you. Thanks for watching.